Discovery Quests is pleased to present a new writing workshop, Crafting a Multigenre Paper. You're invited to join us on this writing adventure. Have fun as you develop your writing skills. What is a multigenre paper? Well, you'll have an opportunity to pick any topic and research it, and rather than writing a standard research paper, instead you'll have an opportunity to experiment with different styles of writing, including expository writing, prose poetry, flash fiction and nonfiction in the narrative style, and free verse poetry. Now, of course, as a research project, we will be covering the basics of works cited and bibliography pages, and the whole work will culminate in a compelling written work that you can present either as a PDF file, a slideshow, or perhaps a video. Why write a multi-genre paper? Well, it's a great opportunity to explore a topic of your choice, and the entire experience is aimed at helping you enhance your writing skills. You'll be able to practice research skills, and you'll be encouraged to consider your topic from different perspectives, all the while being exposed to a variety of vocabulary and sentence structures that will help to make your writing stronger and more persuasive. The course is structured so that you have 9 lessons, each of which will include a short video introduction to the lesson and a student packet where students can work all of the assignments. That assignment packet is then submitted back to an instructor for written feedback. The course overall is self-paced, so students are free to take as much time as they need to complete each assignment. In addition, the workshop includes an optional 5 online sessions where the students can meet with the teacher in order to get additional feedback on their work. Now, of course, you're welcome to sign up for this class all by yourself, or if you'd prefer, gather a few of your friends and share the adventure with them. Group discounts are available. For more information or to sign up, please visit our website at www.discoveryquests.com.